Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I feel like it's been forever and a day since I last sat down and spoke to the camera. Many of you would have known already that I spent some time in Asia and documented quite a bit of that. So if you have not done already, go and check those videos out because I had the most amazing time traveling around Asia. As much as I enjoy my travel content, I also really enjoy doing my hauls and doing these types of videos. So yeah, let's get straight into this video and I'll show you everything that I picked up from B&M. So of course, in no particular order, I'm just going to reach down below me and pick up the first thing. Okay, so we've actually run out of hand cream, so I picked up not one, but 5 bottles of these. They're by the brand Skin Techniques. This does actually look like something I've picked up before, so maybe I have actually tried this, but just different packaging. So I've got 3 shea butter and 2 in the scent Lily. So I've not actually smelt these because they're sealed. So let me actually open one. Smells really good. Lovely. That smells really good and fresh. Yeah, and really moisturising as well. The next thing I got is this scrubbing pad by Elbow Grease. Really like this. Mostly use this actually in the bathroom, so like to clean the bath and around like the sink and all that stuff. So that's what we use this for. It's quite rough on one side and then soft on the other. Of course you can use it in the kitchen as well. No complaints, it does what we need it to do. Also picked up a tube of Pringles. I've not had Pringles in so long. I was really hungry when shopping and it is kind of approaching that time of the month, and so I saw these and couldn't say no. So yeah, not had those in a while. Again, something else that I've not had in a very long time, Chewits. I actually couldn't say the last time that I had Chewits. I feel like maybe in my teens. Say here that they're just basically liquid filled bonbons. And I really like bonbons, so just thought I would give these a try and see if they're any good. Again, I restocked on ACV. I use apple cider vinegar to clean my fruits and veg and occasionally take a shot. You can also put it in your hair. There's so many uses for ACV, so always need to restock on these. So yeah, I've got 3 bottles of organic ACV. We got a 3-pack of extra chewing gum, flavour Cool Breeze. And yeah, I mean, self-explanatory. This is my favourite flavour, minty fresh. Also got a pack of Heinz beans. The reason I got these half tins is because I can never finish a full tin of beans. Like, of course, if we're doing a meal together, then we can get through a full tin. However, if I'm using beans on my own, there's always the other half in the fridge for the longest time. It never gets used. To reduce wastage, I just got the half tins. I also got some of these Fizz and Fresh by Astonish. These are toilet cleaners. Something that's quite nice just to keep the toilet fresh and keep the toilet smelling fresh throughout the whole week. So yeah, use these. I've used them before and like them, and this is in the scent Eucalyptus Fresh. I also picked up this lint and hair remover. We have hardwood floors here, however we do have rugs around the place, which of course hair and bits get caught on. We can also use this for the sofa as well, and I'm hoping to actually use this on a couple of pairs of tracksuits that I've got that kind of turn bobbly, which is really annoying. So this is metal and it has a little rough edge here that I'm hoping will scratch away any lint and bubbles that are on clothes. I'm actually quite excited to use this and see how that works. Something else I'm quite excited about is this glass bottle of matches. Now I thought this would be really pretty to either put on the coffee table or put on the shelves. But yeah, it's just one of those things that is very aesthetically pleasing. Black matches with white heads in this really fancy glass jar with a cork lid. So yeah, I thought that was really cute. Looking forward to kind of displaying that. And I guess you can use it, but I don't know if we're going to use it as much as we use lighters. Maybe it's just going to be there for aesthetic purposes only. And then at the bottom, of course, you have the grip that you rub it against. Really, really cute. Love this. The next item of decor that I picked up is really simple but cute vase. And as it's starting to get a bit warmer now, we tend to put more flowers out, and have been needing a new vase for the longest time, and it's just one of those things that you know you need and then you don't really buy. So I saw this and I said, okay, let's definitely get it because we need it. What I most like about this is, yes, it's clear, but it's kind of like smoky. I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but it's kind of got like a black effect as well, which I thought was really pretty. So looking forward to, again, maybe having this on the coffee table or just on a shelf, wherever. I'll definitely find a place for this. We have tons and tons and tons of candles, essential oils and decor, and I've been needing to organise the candle cupboard for a very long time. Yes, we have a candle cupboard, and yes, it is a mess. So we've got candles, incense sticks, lighters, matches, everything you can think of in that cupboard, and it needs a good sort out. So we've got 2 of these bins, and they come with a lid. Yeah, so 2 of these. Then we also got a 4-pack of some smaller ones as well. And these ones also have lids on them as well. I got a spray bottle just to use for my hair. I mix water and conditioner together in here and then just spray it over my hair, especially now that it's getting warmer. I'm going to be wearing my hair damp-ish outside, so this will come in handy. Picked up some fairy washing up liquid. This in the scent apple and rhubarb, running low, so yeah, just stocked up on a big bottle. I just realised that this really isn't filled, is it? There's definitely some missing, but yeah, just picked up a big bottle of fairy liquid. After I finish filming this, I need to go around the house and fill up the soap pumps because we are running low on hand soap. I've got these before they do the job. They're by Astonish, and this is the aloe scent. And this one is the vitamin E. Really big bottles, and they last a while. Another home essential is this really big pack of toilet paper. So we got 32 rolls, and it's by the brand Elegance. Feather Soft. Again, another basic. 32 rolls. Push me out the frame. And then the last thing I picked up is this super absorbent kitchen towel. And that's in a 3-pack. But yes, that's everything that I picked up this time from B&M. Really hope you enjoyed this haul. Really happy to be sitting down here doing another haul, and so excited for all the hauls that are to come. If you haven't done already, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.